Wait, I have some questions.
Okay.
So tell us about the lawnmower.
Well, it's a Remington. It's we got it at Menards the other day. It's electric, and it's got both corded and a battery. So we're going to give it a try and see if it works. Hey, Bob. So there's our neighbor, Bob. So we're just going to give it a whirl and see how it works.
And how much yard do you have to actually mow here? I mean, what?
No, it's not a ton, but you know.
This is the backyard.
Backyard to dry.
Okay.
Should we give it a go? See what happens?
Let's give it a go.
Set to high, maybe?
I have a question.
Okay.
So what's the bag situation, or the?
I've got it set to mulch.
And what is that exactly?
Well, I think it just grinds it up a little bit more so it can stay on the ground.
So we don't have to rake.
Right. We'll have to sweep, but we won't have to rake.
Okay. Well, I should have raked before.
Brama kabara ye bara dilaye, brafo brama kabara ye bara firi fane, ni brafo brama tilala kabara dilala, brafo brama baka bara do firi, ni brafo brama tilala kabara dilala, brafo brama baka bara wo fache, brafo brama ya kabara 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 wo fache.
It works great.
So what's the official review?
Oh, it's fabulous.
Tell me about it.
Well, it's, like I say, it's much less violent. So you don't, it just...
Less violent than...
The gas, where it's throwing stuff, and it's just, I mean, the gas ones have so much power. This one doesn't have it. We don't need it as much, so it's much easier to operate. It runs easily. The battery's great. You know, it's just, I don't know, I'm impressed. I think it's a good choice. You know, it's very easy to run.